Once you file a claim, you typically want to give your claims adjuster about 24 to 48 hours to respond. They'll reach out to you. They'll lay out what the next steps, the process is. They may ask you for documentation, for pictures. Typically, they set up an appointment with you, sometimes to go out and see your vehicle or your home, whatever loss you've had. Your payout, you can expect usually to get an actual cash value payout first. Usually, once you submit your documentation, invoices, completed work orders, receipts, then you'll get your replacement cost, your final check. You can reach us phone, text, or email. You can reach me or anyone at the Sterling Insurance Group. We're always happy to assist you.